Hello everyone, today is part 2 of my Declutter My Entire Nail Collection with Me video series. So I've collected a lot of gels and glitters over the years, and a lot of them are discontinued or expired. I just really liked having this backdrop of having just a pile of products as my backdrop, but it's time to let them go. I realize I missed this in part 1, so I am just finishing it here. This part was long overdue. I'm just doing shapes and flakes right here right now. Colored flakies right here. Iridescent flakies. The Light Elegance pretties. They're chromes and stuff, so I'm just doing that right here. I used to have my own brand of flakies, so I'll just keep those. Chrome that's like colored, like gold, silver, blue, whatever. And then we have clear chromes. So that's how I'm trying to organize this. Okay, so for this, I've already gone through and kind of looked at these. They're all like great, except there's one that needs to go. This one seems to not be good anymore. Like it's all separated, unshakable, nothing left, completely locked. So that'll be garbage. And then I'm gonna just go through and make sure any of these polishes that are dry. These are the clear jelly stamper polishes. I love these polishes, they're great. But if there's any that are dry, I'm gonna get rid of those because that doesn't work. This one doesn't work anymore, so that's garbage. So this might be my last drawer I need to do. It's a giant pile of loose glitter. I'm actually having a girls' craft night, so we do need some glitter, so I will take some of that to craft night. And then I'm gonna keep my favorites, obviously, and then pass on the rest. Where I ended up finishing off right now is crafts for me and my friends. Get rid of pile. This is a garbage pile of unusable. This reset feels really good. I'm excited about what I'll be creating next. If you've been holding on to things that you don't need anymore, let this be your sign to let them go too.